Hello everyone, welcome to Elementor Pro series. In this series, I will explain about all Elementor Pro widgets. Not only that, I will show you how easily you can create really cool options using those Pro widgets. In this tutorial, I will show you everything about the call to action widget. Also, we will create those cool sections using this awesome widget. I'm Fad Ahmed with you, the instructor. Let's get started. By the way, if you don't have Elementor Pro, you can get that from the link in the description. And trust me, if you don't have Elementor Pro, you will be missing out on a lot of things. And as you're learning Elementor Pro from me, I also have a special gift for you. So check out the description. Alright, so this is the call to action widget. Let's first have a look what options we have for this widget. Let's drag it to here. Okay, so this is our call to action widget. At first here is the image, then here is title and description. The next we have a button here. Okay, let's check the options. Here is the first option is skin. By default here is classic. We can select the cover from here. Here our image will be shown like as a background image and the text over the image. For now I am selecting the classic one. Okay, then here is the position of the image. You can select left align, right align or top. Then here is image selecting option. Just click here and select any image. Okay, here is our image. Then here is the content option. You can change the title from here. You can change the description from here. And here is the button text. Alright, then here is the ribbon option. You can add a ribbon here. See, here is the ribbon added. We can change the position left here, right here. Okay, now we will go to the style tab. The first option is height. The height of the box, this box only. Okay, then here is the alignment option. By default it is center. We can make it left align or right align. I'm selecting center for now. Then here is the vertical position. We can set it top or center or bottom. For now I am selecting the middle. Then here is the padding option, the padding of the whole text area. Then here is the height of the image. The image height is very low now. We can increase the height. Okay, then here is the content option. The first one is title. You can change the title typography from here, like font size, the space between the title and the text. Then here is the description. You can change the description typography from here. Then here is the spacing between the description and the button. Then here is the color option. You can change the background color, title color, description color and button color also. And if we hover this, we can select a dark color. See how it's working now. You can also change the title color on hover. Okay, see the nice effect. Okay, now we will go to the button. Here is the button option, small, medium or large. We will select the small. The typography of the button, you can change the font size or font weight. Okay, then here is the color and background of the button. You can change it from here also. Then here is the border width of the button and here is the border radius of the button. Okay, then here is the ribbon option. You can change the ribbon's background like red. See, it's red now. The text color, you can also change the text color white to black. See how it's looking now. Distance, you can change the distance. Typography of the ribbon, uppercase, font weight 900. Okay, then the hover effect is here. By default, the hover animation is zoom in. We can change it like move up. Now if we hover this, we will see the image is moving up. We can also select move left. Now if we hover this, we will see the image moving left. Okay, now here is the overlay option. You can add any overlay on your image and also hover. You can change the overlay. Okay, then here is the filter option. You can add any filter. We can add some blur and hover. See, the image is blur here. Okay, then here is the blend mode. You can add any blend mode from here. Okay, then here is the advanced option as well. You can change the margin, padding, background, or add any animation from here. Alright, now we will go back to the content and we will select the cover one. Now our area is looking like this. We will go to the style tab. As the height, we can increase the height from here. Okay, then we can add some space here between the description and the button. Content, here is the space of description and the button. Okay. Cool. Now let's create a few cool sections using this widget, so you would get a better idea how to use this widget in real life. And before moving forward, make sure you like this video and subscribe into this YouTube channel. Otherwise, you may don't find those valuable videos on your home feed next time. So make sure you have liked this video and subscribe into this channel. Now let's create. Go to the element and find out the call to action. We will drag it to here. Go to the advanced. We will set a margin at top 100. Okay, here it is. We'll go to the content. We will make it left align. Now we will select an image here. I'm selecting this one. Then we will go to the content. We will change the text from here. Sorry, I make a mistake here. We will take a line break here and here also. Okay, then I will change the button text. Then I will put the Hey WordPress link here. Then we will find the option apply on link, button only, or whole box. If we select the whole box here and we click anywhere of the box, this click will take us to this page. If we select the button only, then nothing will happen when we click the box. If we click the button, then we will fly to the link. Okay, now we will go to the style tab. Here is the image option. We will increase the image height from here. Then here is the content option. We will make it left align. Then we will go to the content, change the background color to black. Then we will go to the title, font size, we will make it large. We will reduce some line height here. Okay, the font weight I will set 200. It's looking cool. Now we will go to the description, typography, text transform will be uppercase, and font weight will be 300. The ray spacing I will select 2. Then we will select the web developer here and we will make it bold. Here is the title color, we will make it white, and description color we will also make it white. Then here is the button color, we will make it green. Okay, here is the button option. We will go to the typography, font weight we will set 300. Text transform we will make it uppercase. Letter spacing we will make it 2. Okay, now we will make the text color white and the background color green. We don't want any border here, so we'll make it 0. border radius also 0 or 3, and hover. We will change the background color to red. Okay, now we'll go to the hover effects. By default here is zoom in. We will select move up. Okay, now if we hover this, see how nicely it's working. This way you can create a nice call to action area. Now let's create another one. Go to the element, search here call to action. Here it is, drag it to here. We will make some space at the bottom of this area. We will go to this element, advanced, bottom also 100. Okay, now we will edit this one. We will make it left align. We will change the content like contact with us. We will copy and paste the text here. Okay, then from here the graphics element, we will click the star icon. See, here is the icon added. We will change the icon. Here it is. Now we will go to the image and we will add this image here. We will add this one. Okay, now we will go to the style tab. We will increase the height of the image 500. Okay, now we will go to the graphics element. We will change the color green. Okay, we can increase the size from here. Okay, now when we hover this, we will change the background. For this we will go to the content. Here we will select the hover option. The background color will be the dark one. The title color will be white. Description color also white, and the button color will be green. Okay, now if we hover this, see how nicely it's working. Normal, we'll change the title color, this one, and the description color, this, button color also this one. It's looking nice now. Okay, now we can change the hover effect of the image. Go to the hover effect. Here is zoom in. We can change it to move right. Now if we hover this, you will see how nicely it's working. Okay, now we will duplicate this one. See, here is a gap because every widget have 20 pixel margin on the bottom by default. For reducing this gap, we will click this one and go to the advanced, unbind the margin. We will set margin 20 pixel minus at the top. Okay, now here is no gap. Then we will go to the content. We will make it right align. Okay, see how nicely it's working. Now we will duplicate this one again and edit this. We'll make it left aligned. We'll change the image, this one, and here we'll change the image, this one. Okay, it's looking nice now. So by using this call to action, you can create this nice looking section. Let's create another one. Take a new section here. Go to the element, search for call to action, drag it to here. We'll click this edit section icon. We'll make it full width and gap will be no gap. Okay, now we will edit this call to action. We will make it to cover. We will set an image here like this one. Okay, go to the content. We can change the content from here. You can add an image here also. Insert media. Here it is. Okay, now we will go to the style tab. We will increase the height VH. We will make it 70 VH. Okay, now we will go to the content. Title, we can increase the title size. Okay, we'll take a break here. Then we will go to the color. We can change the color to black, and the description color also black, and the button color also black. Okay, now we will go to the hover effect. We will add move down here. Now if we hover this, you will see how it's working. Then we will go to the hover and click the CSS filter, and we will make it blur on hover. Okay, see how nicely it's working. You can change the color combination here, or you can select a light image here like this one or this one. Okay, it's looking cool. You can add a call to action like this way in your website. Alright, so this is it for now. If you want to know about all the details of other Elementor Pro widgets, I have a complete tutorial on that. I will put that link in the description also. If you want to learn how to create a website from scratch using Elementor or Elementor Pro, you can check out other full website creation tutorials. I will put these links in the description as well. And if you need any professional help regarding Elementor, WordPress or e-commerce, from small minor fixing to a complete website creation, you can contact through our website. Just go to the heywordpress.com and click to the make my website button. It will fly you to this page you might be searching for. Here is a simple form, just fill it up and click to the submit request button. We will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. See you soon.